Hello, my name is Martin Hermatschweiler. In the last decades, micro and nanotechnology have made enormous progress. One of the key success factors is the continuous improvement of lithographic techniques. So far, nanolithography has mostly been limited to planar objects. The next logical step is to go from planar 2D lithography to the third dimension. This is where I welcome you to the world of Nanoscribe.
Direct laser writing can, in principle, be very easily understood. You just need 3 ingredients. The first one, a UV curable photoresist. The second one, a very stable near-infrared laser source. In contrast to conventional photolithography, the laser source is chosen in such a way that the photosensitive material is perfectly transparent at the laser's wavelengths. By very tightly focusing the laser into the photosensitive material, we create in this very focal volume intensities which are high enough to polymerize the material via 2-photon absorption. By very precisely scanning the focus throughout the material along all 3 spatial dimensions, we are able to create almost arbitrarily complex 3-dimensional structures. This leads us to the third ingredient, a very sophisticated direct laser writing system built on more than 10 years of experience on the leading edge of the field.
This micro-miniature of the Brandenburg Gate has been fabricated in just one step. The height of this landmark is comparable to the thickness of a human hair. Among a large variety of 3D photonic applications, the most prominent examples are metamaterials, photonic crystals, optical interconnects and microcavities. In life sciences, Nanoscribe's technology paves the way for tomorrow's tissue engineering. Our technology allows biologists to fabricate 3-dimensional structures that mimic the natural environment of cells. Unique 3-dimensional filters or mixers can be fabricated for microfluidic applications. Surfaces with complex shapes can be created and replicated for industrial products. Nanoscribe also provides know-how on casting 3D polymer templates into other materials including metals or semiconductors and other polymers. At our company headquarters, we produce, develop and distribute laser lithography systems for true 3-dimensional micro and nano fabrication. Specific photoresists have been designed to provide a complete solution to our valued customers. Give ideas space and enter the third dimension with Nanoscribe.